Dear students, today we will discuss about application of determinants and matrices. The application of determinant and matrices are used in solving the linear equation of 2 variable or 3 variable and checking their consistency. So first of all we discuss consistent system. A system of equation is said to be consistent if its solution exists, means it may be unique or infinitely many. If solution of any system exists, then that system is consistent. Solution does not exist, inconsistent system. If its solution does not exist. Clear? We have three cases: either unique solution or many solution or no solution. If we have unique or many solution, then system is consistent, and if no solution, then system is inconsistent. So next one is solution of a system of linear equation using matrix method, which is important. Consider a system of equation if we consider a system of equation let a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals to d1. Second is a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals to d2. Third is a3x plus b3y plus c3z equals to d3. Let me take A matrix is first column is coefficient of x, a1, a2, a3. Second column is coefficient of y, b1, b2, b3. Third is coefficient of a z. X matrix is x, y, z, and B matrix is constant right hand side term d1, d2, d3. So above system of equation can be written as ax equals to b. Clear? Means A is what? We have A is a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. This is x, x, y, z, and this is b. B is d1, d2, d3. If we multiply, then we get above system of equation. Clear? So if we take ax equals to b, which is matrix method, ax equals to b. So we have two cases, ax equals to b. The first is A is a non-singular, that is determinant of A non-zero. If determinant of A non-zero, then its inverse is exist. If its inverse exists, then pre-multiply by A inverse. A inverse AX equals to A inverse B. तो A inverse A is I, तो IX equals to A inverse B and X equals to A inverse B. So which is matrix method. Second one is A is singular. Then if determinant of A non-zero, then we have unique solution. Unique solution. Clear? And system is consistent. If A is singular means determinant of A 0, that is determinant of A equals to 0. If we have determinant of A equals to 0, then we find adjoint of A into B. For adjoint of A into B, we have two cases. First one is if adjoint of A into B is a non-zero, then system does not solution of system, then solution does not exist and system is inconsistent. Clear? Second one is if adjoint of A into B is 0, then system has infinitely many solutions. And it is consistent. Clear? So for the solution of equation, we have to find the inverse of a matrix, and for inverse of a matrix we must know about a cofactor, how we find cofactor and inverse of a matrix. So now exercise 4.6. First question is examine the consistency. Means we have to check determinant of A. First question is x plus 2y equals to 2, 2x plus 3y equals to 3. Then matrix A is 1, 2, 2, 3. Determinant of A is 3 minus 4. This is minus 1, not equal to 0. So it is consistent. Clear? Question number 3. X plus 3y equals to 5. 2x plus 6y equals to 8. Matrix A is 1, 3, 2, 6. Clear? The determinant of A is 6 minus 6 equals to 0. It means it is either consistent or inconsistent. So for that we have to find the adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, first of all we find cofactor of A. Then A11 is 6, A12 is minus 2, A21 is minus 3, A22 is 1. So adjoint of A is equal to 6, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Clear? Then we have to find adjoint of A into B equals to 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 and B is 5 8. Multiply first row first column 30 minus 24, first row second column minus 10 plus 8. So this is 6 minus 2 which is non-zero. Clear? Non-zero means it has no solution, so it is inconsistent. Clear? So like this way we find up to question number 6. Now question number 7. Solve this system of equation. Solve this system of equation. So for this I would like to find only two questions. One is 2 cross 2 and other is 3 cross 3, and like that way you have to find the remaining question. The first 7th question. 5x plus 2y is equal to 4. 7x plus 3y is equal to 5. So first of all, A is coefficient of x 5 7, B is 2 3, x is xy, B is right hand side. Right hand side is 4 5. Clear? Then determinant of A. Determinant of A is 15 minus 14 which is 1 not equal to 0. So system is consistent. System is consistent having unique solution. Clear? So for this we have to find the adjoint of A. For adjoint of A is cofactor of A. I will write directly. The cofactor of A is cofactor of A11 is 3, cofactor of A12 is minus 7, cofactor of A21 is minus 2, cofactor of A22 is 5. Then adjoint of A is its determinant. Determinant is 3 minus 7 minus 2 5. Clear? So then A inverse equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1. So 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. So what is matrix method? As we know that matrix method is x equals to A inverse B. So x is xy. A inverse is 3 minus 2 minus 7 5. B is 4 5. If we multiply first row first column 12 minus 10 minus 28 plus 25. So this is 2 and minus 3. So if we equate these two, then x is 2 and y is minus 3. So we have the solution of this system of equation by using matrix method. Clear? So similarly you can find 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will discuss next one question, which is 3 cross 3 matrix. Question 11. System of equation is 2x plus y plus z equals to 1. Next is x minus 2y minus z equals to 3 by 2. Third is 3y minus 5z equals to 9. The matrix A is coefficient of x 2 1. थर्ड इक्वेशन में x का कोफिशिएंट नहीं है तो we take 0. Next column is coefficient of y 1 minus 2 3. Third coefficient of z 1 minus 1 minus 5. Clear? X is x y z. B is 1 3 by 2 and 9. Clear? The next one is we find determinant of a. Determinant of A is 2 into 10 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3. Clear? The next is, if we solve this, 10 plus 3 13, 26 plus 5 plus 3, so that is 34. So which is non-zero? So system is consistent, having unique solution. So for this determinant we have to check 2 times. So 2 into 10 plus 3 13 26 minus 1 minus 5 plus 5 or 1 is 3, so 3, that is 8 34. Okay, next we have to find the cofactor of AR. Cofactor of A, that is A11 is 13, A12 is 5, A13 is 3, A21 is minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 means plus 8, A22 is minus 10, A23 is 6 minus 6, A31 is minus 1 plus 2 to 1, A32 is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 means plus 3, and A33 is minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so cofactor of AR, cofactor of A, we write 13 5 3, 8 minus 10 minus 6, 1 3 minus 5. For this adjoint of A is transpose of a cofactor. So 13 5 3, 8 minus 6 minus 10 minus 6, 1 3 minus 5. That implies A inverse equals to adjoint divided by determinant. Determinant is 13 4, so 13 8 1, 5 minus 10 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5. Clear? So which is A inverse. Now put all values in x equals to A inverse B. So x is x y z, then A inverse is 1 by 34, 13 8 1, 5 minus 10 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5, and B is 1 3 by 2 and 9. If we multiply first row first column, so 13 plus 12 plus 9, first row second column, 5 minus 15 plus 27, clear? Next is 3 minus 9 minus 45, this is 3 minus 9 minus 45 और 12 है 134. तो 134, this is 34, this is 32 minus 15 17, this is 45 54 51 minus 51. Clear? So if we put x, y, z divide by 34, the result is 2, 1, minus 3. So if we equate x is 2, y is 1 and z is minus 3. Clear? For this we have to check our answer is right or wrong. So we add these three equations. We have to add these three equations and put. If we add these three equations, then adding three equations, this is verification, this is rough work. Adding three equations, so our result is 3x and this is 4, so plus 2y minus 5z equal to 10 plus 3 by 2 means 10 plus 3 by 2, so 23 by 2. Clear? Put here 23 by 2. This result is 3 by 2. Okay. So if we put, this is 3 into 2, 6 plus 2 plus 15 by 2. So our result is 8. So 16 plus 15 by 2. Sorry, 8. 8 plus 15 by 2, 31 by 2. From here our result is 10, 20, 23 by 2. One minute. One by 2. Okay. There is some mistake. This is 17, this is 34, so 1 by 2. This result is 1 by 2 and this result is 1. There is some mistake. Okay. Our result is 34. So if we divide by 34, then this is wrong. If we divide by 34, our result is x, y, z. So 34 by 4, 1. 17 by 34, 1 by 2. And this is minus 3 by 2. So x is 1, y is 1 by 2 and z is minus 3 by 2. If we put these values in this equation, this, so our result is 3 plus 1 and that is 15 by 2. So 6, 12, 4, 8, so that is 23 by 2, which is right hand side. Okay. So there is some calculation mistake, so please rectify it. So like this way we find this solution system of a equation with the help of a matrix method. Clear? Now question number 15. If A equals to 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. Find A inverse. Using A inverse, solve this system of equation. 2x minus 3y plus 5z equals to 11. 3x plus 2y minus 4z equals to minus 5. X plus y minus 2z equals to minus 3. So in this type of questions, first of all we have to find the inverse of that matrix and correlate this A matrix with the given matrix. This, let me take this as C matrix. Matrix C is 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. And X matrix is X, Y, Z. And B matrix is 11 minus 5 minus 3. Clear? So this A equals to C matrix. The inverse of A matrix is directly used in C matrix. Clear? So first of all, we have to find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is 2 into minus 4 plus 3 into minus 6 plus 4 plus 5 into 3 minus 2. The result will be, this is 0, this is minus 6, this is plus 5, minus 1 not equal to 0. So its inverse exists, then cofactor of AR. Cofactor of AR. So A11 is 0, A12 is 2, A13 is 1, A21 is 6 minus 5 minus 1, A22 is minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, A23 is 2 plus 3 5 means minus 5, A31 is 12 minus 10 2, A32 is A32, this minus 8 minus 15 minus 23 means plus 23, A33 is 4 plus 9 13. Clear? Same procedure, cofactor of A. Cofactor of A are 0, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 9, 5, minus 5. This is 2, 23 and 13. Next one is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equals to transpose of A. Cofactor of A 0, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 5, 2, 23 and 13. So A inverse equals to, we have to divide minus 1. If we divide minus 1, then 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 13. From this system of equation, we observe that A equals to C. That implies A inverse equals to C inverse. So we can use directly this A inverse into the system of equation. X, Y, Z. C inverse is 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 5, minus 13. And B is 11, minus 5, minus 3. If we multiply first column, so minus 5 plus 6, minus 5 plus 6. Second is minus 22, minus 45 plus 69. Next is minus 11, minus 25 plus 39. This result is 1. This is 67 to 2. This is 36 to 3. Clear? So here X is 1, Y is 2, Z is 3. For rough verification, adding the system of equation of 3 equation, if we add, the result is 6x plus 0y minus z equals to minus 8, 11, 3. If we put value of x is 1, so 6, this is y, minus 3 equals to 3, which is right hand side, so our answer is right. Clear? So like this way you can find the equation of system of equation. Question number 16. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat, 2 kg rice is 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, 6 kg rice is 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. So x, y and z be the price of onion, wheat and rice. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट कंडीशन 4x plus 3y plus 2z equals to 60. According to second, 2x plus 4y plus 6z equals to 90. And according to third equation is 6x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 70. So which is our equation? By using matrix method you can easily find the system of a equation. So in this exercise या this chapter we deal only the system of equation having unique solution. Means in your syllabus you have to find with the help of matrix method the system of equation are only unique solution. Means if you solve any equation then determinant, most probably the determinant is non-zero. If determinant is 0 then system, and then the inverse of that matrix is exist. Okay, so this is all about matrix method, or most probably one question from matrix method is generally asked in your examination. So please try all questions. Thank you.